What's up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and first off, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, and happy Curlsmas. Today I am unboxing my new CURLBOX. I'm not sure if it's considered the December non-subscription box or the January non-subscription box, but I'm pretty sure they're going to tell me somewhere inside this box, so we'll know soon. Oh my god, it's heavy. This is what it looks like. It's basically like busting out. It looks a little rough, but I feel like that's because it's so heavy. Okay. Okay, this box was $20 plus $5 shipping, and I bought it even though I wasn't supposed to be buying any more products. I bought it because it specifically said there was no silicone, no mineral oil, no parabens, nothing like that, no drying alcohols. So I was like, I have to try this, and hopefully it's products that I don't already have. And I did take a little peek at the email they sent out today with the products on it, and I can't remember the name of the brand. I already forgot it, but it is a brand I've never tried, so I'm super excited for this.
Oh my god!
Alright, the box is taped right here, thankfully, because it would have come apart otherwise. Okay,
Relax.
And this is what's inside when I open the box. It's their pamphlet, and on the back it says Down to Earth. Inside it says, letter from the editor. Step into a little practical glam with our Down to Earth specialty box featuring Earth Supplied. For the girl who loves just a touch of sass in her everyday style, play with these easy tips to enhancing your go-to looks. And then it gives you ways to banish brittleness, a subtle slay, and lots of luster. Okay, so this is what the products look like inside the box. And now we're gonna see what they are. Alright, the first product that I picked up is this. What is it? Alright, the first product that I picked up is a Shine and Hold Mist. It's for moisture and repair. And it says it's enriched with shea butter. And on the front it says no sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. On the back it says Earth Supplied, always enriched with high levels of the purest butters and oils, globally sourced and carefully chosen for their amazing beauty benefits to you. Real ingredients, real benefits, real results. Okay, this brand sounds amazing and I've never heard of it. Honestly, this is the best box I could have ever purchased. So it says the Earth Supplied Shine and Hold Mist is formulated with African shea butter and Southeast Asian coconut oil to replenish moisture, detangle, soften, and repair coily and curly hair. It provides lasting moisture and shine, hydrates and smooths frizzy curls, and has just enough light, flexible hold. And then on the back it says even more things that are not in this product. It says no sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, paraffin, propylene glycol, phthalates, gluten, PABA, or DEA. So there's a lot of stuff, some things I never even heard of that is not in this product, because I don't know what PABA is, but I guess I don't want it. Okay, the next product is very exciting. It is a creamy defining Gell-O. So you know that I love gels, I love jellies, Gell-Os, custards, all kind of products like that. Stylers are probably my favorite products. And this product also says it's enriched with shea butter. So it says that this creamy defining Gell-O is formulated with African shea butter to replenish moisture, detangle, soften, and repair coily and curly hair. It says it provides amazing hold, curls are defined and hair bulk reduced. I don't know what that means. And it infuses moisture and shine. So this sounds like it's gonna be a product that I really love. Oh, this product smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells amazing. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be real careful, but because it's very liquidy. And that's what it looks like on my hand. Oh, that feels good. I'm gonna like this. I can feel that it's gonna have a good hold. And look, it has my hand so shiny. All right, this Gel-O is already the product I'm the most excited about.
Of course.
All right, the next product is their leave-in conditioner, and it says that it's 20% shea butter. It says that this leave-in conditioner is formulated with 20% African shea butter plus Southeast Asian coconut oil to replenish moisture, detangle, soften, and repair coily and curly hair. It says it protects and repairs split ends and reduces breakage, softens and adds manageability to brittle hair, and infuses moisture and smooths frizz. Ooh. Okay, this product has a very light scent, but it's nice. And it looks like this. It has an interesting look to it. It looks really creamy though. It is thick. Oh my God. Okay. This is what it looks like on my hand. Can you guys see how thick and creamy? This has an amazing texture. CURLBOX cut up this month. This is only my second CURLBOX, and I was really upset at the first one because I already had those products. But this one, this is all brand new and amazing. No shade to the other box. It was still a great box. I just was not happy.
No shade! No shade!
Alright, the next product is the Poppin Activator. And this one is 15% shea butter. This product says it amplifies your curl pattern. Curls are full of life and frizz free, and it infuses moisture and shine. So that sounds bomb. I wonder if this can be used alone. The directions say get those curls poppin', apply to damp hair for the perfect wash and go or twist out. Curls needing a quench, apply to dry hair as needed. It doesn't say that any other product is needed, so I will be trying this for a one product wash and go. And the last product is a shampoo, which also says it's enriched with shea butter. This product says gentle milky suds remove buildup, scalp is refreshed so hair can flourish, and it infuses moisture and shine. So that sounds great. After the Gel-O, this is the product that I'm like the second most excited about, because this sounds like a very moisturizing shampoo. So I hope it lives up to the hype because I'm always looking for bomb moisturizing shampoos. Alright, those are all 5 products that came in my box. I am so hype about this box. Shout out to CURLBOX for cutting up. I will be doing reviews on these products very soon, probably in the next 2 weeks or so. Let me know down below in the comments which wash and go combo or one product wash and go you'd like to see first, and I'll do that one first. So I can either do a one product wash and go with the Activator, I can do a combo with the Activator and the Gel-O, I can do the leave-in and the Gel-O, I can do the leave-in, the Activator and the Gel-O, I can do anything. I could just do the leave-in, it is so creamy. I could try the Gel-O for a one product wash and go. I really could do anything, so just let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys so much for sticking with me during Curlsmas. You guys have been so amazing. I cannot say thank you enough. So because of that, I want to do a giveaway, and I'm going to be giving away one of my favorite stylers. So I'm going to have a link down below for you guys to enter the giveaway. I'm going to take a cue from Jackie Naturals. I'm going to put this giveaway at the end of this video, and I'm not going to put in the title. I want to give this giveaway to somebody who watches my videos and is just supporting me. I don't want to just give away to somebody who just saw giveaway in the title and decided to enter. I'm not quite sure what the details are going to be for the giveaway. All I know is it's going to last about 2 weeks. So I'm going to leave everything else down below in the description, and you guys should definitely check that out and enter in the giveaway. And shout out to Jackie Naturals for this great idea and for giving me the website for this giveaway. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description, and you guys should definitely check her out. She does wonderful videos on makeup, hair, hauls, unboxing, everything. She's amazing. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.